एक हेरा फेरी के अंदर एक सबसे बड़े करेक्टर जो थे बहुत अच्छे, आप समझ गए होंगे, उनको बाबू राव जी को निकाल दिया गया है और उनके ऊपर 25 करोड़ का केस भी लगाया है। वो सही है या गलत?
आपको एक आइडिया मिलता है, फिर आप उसको डेवलप करते हो, एंड देन यू गेट पीपल ऑन इट, एंड इट्स अ प्रोसेस विच टेक्स इट्स ओन टाइम। वक्त लगता है ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए, किसी से बात करो, ऑर्गेनाइज करो कि ओके इसका यू नीड टू पुश इट, punch it, you need to write it, all of that. But this film, I have to say that from the day we thought of it, from the time that we heard the concept to the shooting, was the shortest, the fastest that I have ever seen a film come together. Literally. मतलब 3 महीने में we had decided on the script, casting, and we had already started pre-production, which is the fastest. I have never seen a film come together like that. सो आई थिंक फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, शुरुआत से ही जो है इस कहानी पे मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं देयर वाज ऑलवेज एक हाथ था हम पे कि जो भी कर रहे हैं सही कर रहे हैं।
लास्टली अजय जी और काजल जी, आप दोनों के लिए, जिस तरह से शैतान ने एक उम्मीदें और एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑडियंस के दिलो दिमाग में बनाई है, क्योंकि एंगेज रखती है वो फिल्म, जिस तरह से उसका लोगों पर असर भी हुआ, काफ़ी लोगों ने पसंद किया, अब इससे भी काफ़ी उम्मीद है, तो किस तरह से ये फिल्म उससे भी बेहतरीन निकलेगी, किस तरह से ऑडियंस कनेक्ट कर पाके उसको एंगेज रखेगी फिल्म को, कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी?
दो फिल्मों को कंपेयर कर नहीं सकते, कोशिश हमेशा यही रहती है। बाकी फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, आप देखेंगे, आप डिसाइड करेंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि अच्छी है कितनी अच्छी है।
Yeah, Abira from NDTV. Danish, this question is for you. You recently started an AI company, right? And so I want to know how has AI played a role here in this film? And if yes, please tell us how. And if not, how are you planning to use AI in future in films?
So AI is a very powerful tool, as we all know. It's more than an enemy, it's a friend. And creative people get scared of it. But I think if we use it right, it always helps us. It adds a lot of value to projects, including this one in some ways. And even other films that we are testing, it really adds a lot of value. So
Kajal, this one is for you. You are a mom to two beautiful children, and as me, as a mom myself, when I'm watching anything sensitive to children, it really bothers me. Like I will think twice.
Absolutely. That's half the reason, actually, that I think I stood on a stage and I spoke about Salam Venki at one point as well. And so yes, absolutely. As a mother, it is one of those things that I think it's every parent's worst nightmare, really, that you can think of. There's nothing worse that you can think of beyond that.
So when you are doing a film like this, or reading the script, did it bother you any point of time? And it's hard as a mother.
It is definitely. And somewhere, I don't know whether it's, maybe it's a subconscious thing or whatever. I don't normally let it affect, you don't normally let it affect you in a shot. You tend not to. But somewhere down the line, things just somehow come easier. Emotions come easier, tears fall easier, all of that somehow when you feel like so connected to it and it's so real, yes.
My last question to you. Last time you and I spoke, we spoke about, how Nisha was only 1 year old when you shot My Name is Khan. And, now we are talking about mothers who are wanting, new moms who are wanting an 8-hour shift in workspace, in industry, in the film industry. Right. What do you think as a mother? Do you think this demand is right and people reacting to it, it's not going down well with people? What do you think about this?
Well, I love the fact that if you can work less and
but sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
It's not that it's not going well with. People understand.
A lot of people do, because I know a lot of filmmakers are saying yes, please go ahead. And
Most of the honest filmmakers, I would say, will not have a problem with this. And apart from just being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours in a shift. So I think it's person to person, and most of the industry does understand all this.
Kajal, this side.
Yeah.
Kajal.
Yeah, 1 sec. Yeah.
I
Hi,
can't see,
Ajay ji.
so-
Ajay sir.
everybody-
Ajay, yeah. Yeah. It's a very sentimental coincidence that your director's name, मतलब आपका namesake है. Vishal, it happens.
सोच समझ के हम लोगों ने कुंडली उंडली देख के चेक करके सब किया था.
Acha, we had seen you long back in Bhoot, you know, again a supernatural horror film where you had performed very well. So you didn't have the inclination कि मैं इसमें cameo करूँ या face the camera करूँ.
नहीं, not at all. I think हर फिल्म की अपनी कहानी होती है, अपने कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स इस फिल्म में सूट करते थे उन्हें कास्ट किया गया. Like Ronit is there, and you know, so it depends from film to film.
Acha, Kajol ji, first of all, condolences for